Oh, I'm sure.
Push me out of the way.
Yeah, oh, yeah. And there would be elevators, so it's kind of variable going down.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Used to have the action.
Oh my God. I think it.
That's good.
Oh, boy.
Oh dear. That's something different.
I'll take you in Jeff's picture here if you want. If you really,
Push me out of the way.
Oh, yes. Oh, good. No, you're in the picture.
And Julie's like, push me out of the way.
Yeah.
So today is like hashtag push me out of the way.
Oh my gosh. The rain didn't last long.
Yeah.
Yeah. We knew it
Living
would.
we do get rained on? I don't think so. Yeah, I'll go with that, all right?
We'll let it ride.
Yeah, yeah. As a kid, we used to come
Oh my.
It'll be nice going downstairs, coming back because the heat. It's
Yeah, it's kind of picking up. Yeah.
Yeah,
We kayak up to that.
yeah.
The first one going through.
Oh, ducky.
I'm really kind of surprised at how few boats you have on the river, you know, private. On a day like
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
No, it's the end of August, boy. You know,
Okay.
the time
Okay.
You know what? I don't see many.
In Wisconsin.
Oh boy.
Driving in Wisconsin, that's the first.
Was it?
What you said, a dry what? I didn't.
Oh.
Me a dry well, that sounds like a quick divorce.
Yeah.
With-
Oh, nobody's showing up.
Well, I couldn't. I didn't bring my own liquor because I was in Milwaukee, so I was paying my gun. All right, Debbie, I can.
Okay, I'm on the side this time. Everything ready. Never know when.
Oh my.
You know, when I was a kid, I used to fish on the Fox River, mostly just this side of the Mason Street Bridge. And there wasn't many fish here. There was monster carp. I mean, 3 feet.
Mhm.
A long carp. You know, and I mean, you couldn't eat them, you couldn't do much.
Yeah. Yeah, right over about around. I usually ask people downstairs. Are you fine where you are down there, or would you like to go outside?
Yeah, because we said we definitely.
Right.
Okay. All right.
You walk across the damn river on the boats, you know, I mean, it's catch them, you know, these guys looking for the walleye.
Oh my.
It's the same building.
So Wisconsin.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh my. That was paper. Really? Oh my.
Charmin Mill is said it was. Coming out. We were in South Carolina last spring, and we were in a little factory town close to there. And whatever they were doing there must have been the same thing they do as it's now, just like.
Ours was the paper mill growing up. How bad.
Yeah, I don't know what process.
And they tried to tell us that it went, that when it's
15 on the starboard side here. 15, about 7 8 on the port side.
Oh my.
Got about 10 feet closing on the starboard side of the stern.
they record the passenger count. They just like to keep track. Track 35. Okay, he's got it for you. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Four
How long
feet.
is this thing?
This is about 60.
I think you're gonna.
All right, Diane, get up there and turn the wheel. That's.
He does that.
Yeah, that's a throwback thing, isn't it?
It is.
Walking in circles.
Just grab the line. You must have your 150 ton
Of course.
Yeah, I got 500 ton mass. 16 is the highest. And I don't need any more seat time for it. I just have to make more glasses. But I mean, this is 15 ton.
Get your steps.
I don't.
I'm sorry. You get your steps on.
We're
Walking. Oh yeah. It's pretty cool.
I don't know. Freighters.
Oh my.
Some of the rules of thumb for
quite
like
the process.
the yachting world. There's
This is pretty analog.
$1,000 per foot per year.
That looks like Fear Factor.
It doesn't quite follow the
That's
same
quite a job, isn't it?
rule in the commercial world, but if you're on a 300-foot yacht, you're making 300
That's right in that, huh?
Yeah.
I did that for a long time. So after high school, I became a
Yeah, we're a lot lower than
builder. I built like
Yeah, I know.
old classic sailboats, restored Chris Crafts and things like that. And then, got to the Gulf in Florida. Started working as a from Nina, yep. And I live in Nina again now. Started a family a couple of years ago. And you're driving 1.1 mile an hour.
Oh my.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's got to walk around 48 times per door.
48?
That's what he said when we were leaving here.
Yeah, it's right on the corner, right in there.
He's almost done though.
Yeah, but still,
Motoring in and out of the channel. It's now
scary.
restricted in ability to maneuver and constrained by draft. As it goes out of the channel, it's running aground. Yeah, it says it on that chart too. Like,
Well, I know one job that I would not sign up
Yeah, let's check that one right off the list.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my.
I do now.
Okay. Open mouths before putting water.
So he'll let
boy.
water through before he opens the doors then, huh?
So
Are
then
we
he.
up there?
Oh, okay. So he needs to.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now it makes sense.
Yeah. You can see the water lines.
We're going up.
Brock, can we sign a petition to have the bar up here?
Oh boy.
Yeah.
We're going up, guys. So this is what they do as Susan Marie? Susan.
All locks.
Oh my.
You have to do this. Manual bell.
Oh boy. I'm taping the whole thing, yep. Oh my, we're going up fast. That pump is working. Yeah.
Years and years ago.
Look at the line. It's not there no more.
Yeah, it's getting a little hot in that chamber over there. Yeah, it's weird. So we're like, where were you guys heading tomorrow? Just doing the hour and a half type tours. But then at 7 we have like a St. John's tour.
Yeah, 'cause normally when there's small craft boarding, this is the stretch that I'll come into.
Right.
Instead of even being on the other side.
I mean, we're not going to be in waves, but this boat does not like the wind.
You can't even sometimes trust the small craft warnings either. Like, I was out a couple weeks ago heading out towards Minos. And they're like, oh, small craft, the advisory was like 1 to 3 foot waves. I made it out past
all the
Rancho.
way to the left. Look at the guy going around and around and around again.
Winnebago last Tuesday.
Izquierda, hasta arriba. En el lado izquierdo, ahí está el señor abriendo la puerta.
On like 25, there's like
Chartering? Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's like out in the open.
You got a bowl yourself? Okay. You don't need much to fish.
Like we got a recent story, so we got like a 20-foot chaparral, like any boat you see around the world.
They got no inventory of what I want to trade in for.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Finally,
they're
we
happy
made
to
it.
take your vehicle, but then when you want something back in return, or you want to buy something back in return, yeah, they don't got enough for it. That's kind of the same thing with boat dealers now. Like my dad's doing the same thing with some other customers, and I think it's different if it's a boat. Because if I the crab slate, so that's what people are
Yeah, exactly right. All right, Brian. I'm in the transportation.
She's actually been brewing the Black Beach delay.
Yeah, I get some of them. Yeah.
I ordered cheese probably 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, I pop into fellas. I want to check too, maybe you would know. I really want to use battery radio. Not a crank kind, but you know, like an emergency system. Yeah, I mean, because mine is getting to an age where it's like, because it's got the light on the front and the siren and that.
Look for Midland. Midland is the best one.
Okay, are they in Sabellas?
They used to have them. I don't know what they have.
Have it now, okay.
Because they've been reworked so many times and moved counters.
Thank you, Debbie. Thank you, Debbie.
Yes, you're welcome. But yeah, that's my mission, so I'm gonna go there anyway, so I'll get the cost.
Three farms might have two. Cool. Three farms. We're not really having the go bag because it's a Midland and it does have a crank backup. And
Okay.
it runs on batteries.
Battery, okay.
And you can recharge it by USB.
Okay, good, yeah. Because I'm, you know me and I mean, but I have two which are fine, and they're great.
That's an eagle right there, guys.